He's new to Airbnb. He started doing Airbnb in 2021. He bought a property. It was a single family home with a pool, 4-bedroom, 3-bath house on the water. Because he learned about the strategy of doing the Airbnb, the 7 days or less of guest usage a year, material participation. We did a cost segregation on his single family home. A lot of people think that they can't do cost segregations on a single family home. When they hear cost segregation, they think of commercial buildings and apartment buildings. You can actually do a cost segregation on a single family home if it makes sense financially. If it makes sense to do one, do one. So we were able to identify in depreciation the first year $164,000 in depreciation collectively. Right? The cost segregation for this client identified 5-year property and 15-year property. This had a deck, a patio, it had a pool, it had landscaping. The pool was a big deal that was worth about $50,000, which you may not know, a pool is considered an improvement to the property. You can take bonus depreciation on. You don't have to depreciate it over 27 and a half years. You can take bonus depreciation on the pool. His total bonus depreciation combined between 5-year property and 15-year property was $158,000 in additional deductions that he was able to take in 2021. He was in a 32% tax bracket, so that resulted in a tax savings of $50,000. So he got a refund in the amount of $50,000. He didn't know he was going to get this refund. He didn't know about this strategy before he learned it from us. So he was going to give up that $50,000, gift it to the IRS because he had no idea about this strategy. He didn't know he qualified as an Airbnb-er. He materially participated in the management of the property. His average rentals were 7 days or less. So he qualified for this strategy. And because we were able to identify this strategy for him, he saved $50,000 in taxes. Use this information to save money in taxes. If you qualify for the strategies, implement the strategies in your business.